Number 7. A music store has sold 3/5 of their hip-hop CDs, but 10 were returned. Now the store has 62 hip-hop CDs. How many were there originally? We're going to let C equal the original number of hip-hop CDs in the store. Okay. That's what we're trying to find out. How many CDs were there originally? Now, to solve this problem, what we can do is find the total number, let's say the original number, right, minus how many they sold, plus how many were returned. And that is going to equal to how many there currently are in the store. Is equal to 62. Okay. So let's go ahead and translate this into an algebraic expression involving our variable C and the values that we are given in the problem. So the original number of CDs in the store is C. Minus how many were sold, 3/5 of all the CDs. Right? So that's going to be 3/5 times C. And then we're going to add how many were returned. And that's going to equal 62. So now, if we're going to go and use this equation to find how many were there originally, we need to solve for C. And to do that, we start by combining like terms. So these two terms have a C in them with a power of 1. We need to add those together. But in order to do that, this term needs to be a fraction with a 5 in the denominator. So we can go ahead and rewrite this expression. Instead of 1C, we could say 5/5C, because 5 divided by 5 is 1, minus 3/5C plus 10 is equal to 62. So now that we have our like terms with the same denominator, we can add the numerators together, or in this case, subtract. So we're going to get 2/5C plus 10 is equal to 62. We need to isolate our variable, so we're going to subtract 10 from both sides of the equal sign. 2/5C is equal to 52. And now, to isolate the variable and have a 1 in front of it, we can multiply both sides of the equal sign by the reciprocal of 2/5. So let's go ahead and multiply by 5/2 on both sides of the equal sign. On the left side, we'll have 5 times 2 is 10, over 5. 2 times 5, which is also 10, C, is equal to 52 times 5. 52 times 5 is 260 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times C is equal to 130. So what is C? C is the original number of hip-hop CDs in the store, and that's what we're asked to find. How many were there originally? 100. Ooh, I'm in the wrong spot. Answer goes here. 130 CDs.